Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna teach you about multiple if-else statements. So let's see this criteria that will assign a grade to the students on the basis of his marks. So if marks greater than equal to 90, then the grade is A. Similarly 80 grade is B, and so on. So I'm gonna write here a code that will fulfill this criteria. So first of all, I'll make here a variable that is named as marks, and it will store the marks of student, let's say 90. And here will be multiple if-else statements to fulfill this criteria. So I'm gonna write here if condition, if statement. So inside this I'll write a condition that if marks greater than equals 90, then inside the if statement body of if, I'll echo a message that grade is B, sorry, grade is A. Similarly in else statement, if the condition is false, then it will check that. So as this is a multiple if-else statement, so any else, so every else will be followed by an other if. So I'm going to write here an other if, that if marks greater than equals 80, then the grade is B. Here you can see that the grade is B. Sorry, I write here echo statement, grade is B. Similarly here you can see that if marks greater than equal to 90, then grade is A, and if the condition is false, then it will check that if else if this condition is false, then it will check this condition, if else if marks greater than equal to 80, grade is B. So if marks are not greater than equal to 80, then it will check the other condition, that else if marks greater than equals to 70. So if marks greater than equal to 70, I will display a message that grade is C. So you can see that on mark 70, grade is C. Similarly here will be another else statement followed by a if statement, else if marks greater than equals to 60, then the grade will be D of the student. So I'm going to write here in echo statement that grade is C, D. Similarly here will be two more conditions that will fulfill the grade E and grade F. So here will be another else and if statement, else if marks greater than equals to 60, so 60 condition is fulfilled. So if marks greater than equal to 50, then you will see that grade is E. Similarly if the marks of the students are less than 50, then the student's grade will be F, and it will be considered as a fail. So I'm going to write here in else statement echo grade is F. So I'm going to write here grade is F, and the student will be considered as fail. So now you can see that there is a multiple if-else statements. So it will check that if marks greater than equal to 90, it will print that grade is A. Else if marks greater than equals to 80, grade is B. Else if marks greater than equal to 70, grade is C, and so on. So if there is a condition that no if condition is fulfilled, so here are 4 or 5 if conditions. So if any of the condition will not be fulfilled, then this else statement will be displayed. So grade is F. We can also write here a condition that else if marks less than 50, then it will print that the grade is F. Now I'm going to save the file and open this in web browser. Refresh the page. On line 19 there is an error, so open Notepad++. Now I'm going to save the file, refresh the page. Here you can see that grade is A. So if I enter here another value, for example let's say 70, then you will see that the grade is C will be displayed on the web page. Now I'm going to save the file, refresh the page. You can see that grade is C. So this is the method that how we can use multiple if statement when we have a multiple conditions criteria. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.